Hey, what's up, y'all? So today we're going to talk about how to add a member to your team list. So from the home page, you're just going to go to your profile name down at the bottom left. Click on your name, and from there, you're going to get a pop-up screen with a few different options there, and just click on Invite Members. Then click on the box that says Invite Members, put an email address in there, and hit send invite. That's simple. Once you do that, the team member will receive an email, it's just a welcome email, and you'll see a message that says they have not accepted your invitation yet. So this is what the email on their end looks like. Just a little welcome email that has their username and a password. And that message that you had that said they haven't accepted the invitation yet, that's now gone. So that lets you know that they have been added to your team. And that's how you add a member.